We are good to go. And data selection by using LOC and ILOC. LOC and ILOC also you can say. That is 21. That's it. We are good to go. 21. Previous one is this one we already done. Now this one is current topic actually. Especially data selection by using LOC and ILOC. And upcoming topic name is called as a filtering actually. Filtering the data. Yeah, filtering. Oh, I already added actually, I guess. Fine then. Then upcoming topic is a sorting. This is what I have covered yesterday. Client will give yesterday the topic name is a hand. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, good evening. Fine then. Yesterday there is a topic. The topic name is a handling missing value. What exactly? Handling. So generally the client will share the data. That data may contain missing value. 99% it contains missing value, but may contain missing value. If the data contains missing value, that is not a small point actually. You have to please be focused. You have to please be what exactly? Focus actually. This is something like we went to shop. We thought like, so we have carried money actually, but the money is missing. Money is what exactly? Missing. That is serious concern. Then during this time, first, once you are getting the data, you need to create a data frame. So from that data frame, before going further, try to apply some small basic operations, attributes you can call, methods you can call. Then indirectly you are able to understand about data frame information. Then the third step is the important step. That step will be checking the missing values. Checking what exactly? Missing value. We can check missing values by using a method. Method name is a isNA method. What method, sir? IsNA method. The moment whenever you are calling this method returns the result as a Boolean result actually. What result? Every cell, if it is missing, it representing like a true. If it is not missing, it is representing like a false actually. It is giving Boolean values. But conclusion of the story, who need Boolean values, sir? Who need what exactly? Boolean values. I need result. 1 minute. So there is a one question from online team. I'm wondering it might be why it was like that. Anyone for you or else only for this one actually? Anyone like this? Is anyone is facing the same issue? Okay, only this one. Are you guys are available in Google Classroom? Okay. But let me tell you, suddenly no one ever delete. Okay, sir, do one thing. Sir, kindly please share your mail ID. I can just try to add. It's okay. It's okay. I will just try to add so that you can try to access actually. Back to the session. Yeah, after you are checking the missing value, it is returning boolean value, but I need column wise count actually. You need to call a method name is a sum actually. Then once you are able to understand the data frame having missing value, it's a right time you need to call a method name is a drop NA. This is from here onwards handling actually. We are handling the missing value. The moment whenever you are calling drop NA, if the row having at least one missing value, if the row having at least one missing value, no mercy, it will delete that row actually. Completely it will delete that row, right? So in place equals to true. Drop NA method is giving new object. Daniel, I don't want new object. I wanted to apply changes on original object only. Then you need to call a in place equals to true. Once after you are dropping all missing value, all numerical values having the data type, that is nothing but what exactly, a floating data type. Manually, I wanted to change Daniel. Then you need to call a method. Method name is a as type. What is the method name, sir? As type actually. The next one, that is one of the drop NA. Next one is a fill NA. The next one is a replace. Next one is what exactly? Replace. These are all we done yesterday. Hope you understand. Right? So let me explain what is the main today topic, Daniel, actually. Today topic is a so think like this is the data frame. This is what exactly, sir? Data frame. Successfully we created a data frame actually. Think like this. Data frame having columns. Data frame having what exactly? Columns. And column number 1 and column number 2 and column number 3. My handwriting is not that much good actually, I know that. Next one will be data frame also having index actually. Data frame also having what exactly mean? Index. Now let me tell you, this one is a 0th index, this one is first index, this one is second index, and respectively think like, we do have a data here. We do have what exactly? Data here. Yeah, we know actually. Think like this one is a data frame. This one is what exactly? Now hold on. Daniel, I wanted to access only name of the column, columns attribute. What attribute? I wanted to access only index actually, index attribute. I wanted to access top 5 rows, head method, bottom 5 rows. Like this, we would have a certain methods for separate operations actually. Now my point will be, Daniel, my requirement will be, I wanted to access only this value Daniel actually. This call is a data selection. This call is what exactly? Yeah, you can select. Otherwise, I wanted to access only this piece of data frame Daniel. Is it possible, sir? Possible. Otherwise, I wanted to access a single column. Can I access actually? Yes, you can access. Otherwise, I wanted to access from here to here. Can I access actually? Let me tell you, no limitation, anything you can do. Anything you can do actually. This is called as a selecting the data. Talk with me. By using LOC and ILOC. By using LOC and ILOC. Let us enter into the topic. Move to the discussion. Once data frame created, then we can select the data. Let me tell you what are all ways to select the data. Selecting the data, we already covered previously, few scenarios. Selecting single column, selecting multiple columns. Did you remember? Gurtunda meeku? I understand, I will explain, don't worry one more time. Your silence makes me, good. So fine then, this one is a almost big topic actually. This topic may take on an average 2-day session. Make a note on this one. Based on requirement, we can select. Talk with me, sir. Select columns from the data. If you select a single column, then it returns what exactly meant? Series. All right, let me just try to, let me take a data. Data name is a sales1.csv. What exactly meant? Sales1.csv. Let me just try to execute this example. Import pandas as pd, df equals to pd.read_csv. Any idea? Read underscore CSV is a function. Now let me just try to print df demo1.py and I hope data also required sales1.csv sales1.csv. Yeah, this one only. Yeah, this one only. Anyway, not required. Can close this. We are good. Let's move on. Yeah, data frame is successfully created. Once the data frame created, here onwards actual cinema will start, sir. Actual cinema will start after data frame is created actually. Here onwards every point is one requirement. Yeah, good. Fine then. Daniel, I wanted to select only columns. It is okay. I wanted to select only top 5 rows actually. Otherwise, I wanted to select only bottom 5 rows. I wanted to select a single column. I hope you know these are all scenarios actually. Am I right or not, sir? We can do this. Now I wanted to select a single column. Yes, of course we can select by using two ways actually. How many ways, man? Two ways. By using dot notation and next one by using indexing actually. Right? Yeah, see. So we are selecting a single column. All right. The next one will be, you can still use this syntax also. Which one is recommended, sir? Gurtunda meeku? Index. Why? Why index is recommended? Because of this space. Think like, sometimes if the column name having the space actually, index works very well. Move to the next one. Yeah, df dot you can directly assign to one variable. That variable you can print actually. If you are accessing a single column, then it returns a series data structure. What data structure? Daniel, how can you say? Because the name it is coming at bottom actually. So please make a note on that. And selecting multiple columns. Selecting what exactly? Multiple columns. Once you created a data frame, from that data frame, if you want, you can select multiple columns, sir. That is possible actually. Can I close water we are not using? This we are not using. We are good. So here, good to go. How many columns, man? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have created a data frame. Data frame can contain total 4 columns. How many columns? 4 columns. Daniel, my requirement will be, I don't want 4 columns. I need only 2 columns actually. I need only what exactly? Those 2 columns also customer name and product. Otherwise, first product. The next one is a customer name. Anything you can do. If you wanted to select a single column, what we need to do, you just try to create one small variable c equals to list of. Here you need to specify name of the columns. List of first name of the column, customer name, and second name of the column, product. Yo, this code is horrible, sir. Good. Df of here index of previously. Did you remember single column, right? But now this is multiple columns. For multiple columns, you need to prepare the list actually. You need to prepare what exactly? List. Right. List insertion order is fixed. What exactly mean? Here according to the order. First what column you will get actually? Customer name. Second one product. Right. Good. Here this is really meta. Chudani ikkada. Now multiple columns we are creating a data frame. Good. Really good actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Take this example. List is the best, sir. Control X. Let us just try to provide this one. First, what name of the column you will get? Product actually. Product. While selecting the column, name should be match. Otherwise, we'll get error. What error? Any idea? Key error. Till now, if you're not done practice, that is okay. But we have to restart actually. Are you getting everyone? Right. So while you're selecting the column, the name should be what a column name should be what exactly mean? Match. Column name should be match. Otherwise, we'll get a key error. We'll get what exactly? Key error. Let me just try to give wrong name. Imagine somewhere I have given something like a wrong here. Then you're trying to access. You'll get an error. What is error, sir? Key error. Make a note on this. We are good to go. There are 2 points I covered till now. First, I created a data frame. First point what I covered, we have created a data frame actually. We have created a data frame. Second point, accessing single column. Chappan sir, accessing single column. Third point, accessing multiple columns. Successfully I covered actually. Any questions here? Good. Now let's move on. Based on requirement, walk through these are all. Columns equals to name of the column and name of the column 2. And you are creating a separate data frame, that is okay. The whole line you are assigning into separate variable. That variable you can try to print actually. Okay. All right. Maybe we are trying to accessing a single column, and over that, though this column is giving series, that series having integer data. What data, sir? Then you can apply integer related operations. That operation is a sum method. What method? You can do that. Let's capture quantity. Now over that, we can call a method. Method name is a we are good to go. Damn sure interview questions, sir. Here onwards. Are you ready? Good. Now my requirement will be selecting specific column values. Read the heading one more time. Selecting specific column values. Daniel, what do you mean by that actually? Let's do one thing. Open cells 1. First understand the requirement. The requirement will be on an average would have a how many sir? N records unte sales 1 lo. Chappalandaru. By this time you should know the number of rows. Sales 1 600. Good. 600 means so seems to be let us take one customer. What is the customer name? Viru. What is the customer name? Viru. Do you think Viru done only one time transaction? No. He may done number of times. I wanted to know that number. I wanted to know how many times Viru done transaction. Otherwise, I wanted to know total Viru transactions data frame. I wanted to know next Tarun data frame. I wanted to next one Kedarji data frame actually. Right. If you are counting manually, Viru or Venu sir? Venu. Again, where is Viru again actually? Thank God here it is actually. Second time. Then if you are keep on counting like this, it takes lot of time actually. Are you with me? Now the requirement will be, can I access specific, read these words sir, now you will understand. What exactly? Specific column value. I mean to say that access all Viru records. Viru what exactly mean? Records, something like this actually. I mean this one is example. This one is what exactly? Example. Can I get a response? Meeku ardhamayinda sir? Example. How to access, important. First to create a data frame as it is like this. Yeah, good. Now, which one you wanted to access? All Viru records. I wanted to see all what exactly? Viru record. Viru name is available in which column actually? Customer name. Take that name of the column. Okay, okay. Take that name of the column, and you can just try to come here. Okay, okay. Hold on. DF of just try to access a single column. Yes, we are accessing a single column. That single columm you are able to get actually. Am I right, Andigal sir? Yeah, please. Very good. Then next one, which one you wanted to access? Viru value. In that column, this value. Take that value, and you can just try to come here. Any idea what is this operator actually? The operator name on Delsa? Relational operator. What operator? Relational operator. Equality operator. It is not like a single equals. It is double equals actually. Python revision important, right? The moment whenever you are calling df of specific column with all values actually, what happen, I hope you already know actually. Whenever you are calling relational operator, what is the result, sir? Boolean. Very good. You can just try to come here. See, Boolean. It is telling like, hey Daniel, go back. First to record is the Viru only. That's what you are getting result as a true. Second record is a Tarun. That's what here you are getting what exactly? False. And false true actually. Here the open secret is whenever you are trying to accessing the specific data, it is giving the result as a Boolean result. What result? But who need Boolean result, sir? I need actual result. I need what exactly? Then what we need to do, you can first, did you understand till now? Are you clear? Take this one, Control X, create a one small variable. That variable name I can give con. Con means condition. Con means don't think the popcorn actual. It is condition. What exactly? Condition, right? Here, df of con you can provide. This is seriously interesting. Please make a note actually. Indirectly, df of, we are passing one condition. Indirectly, this condition means, hey, I wanted to access only Viru records. That is the condition. I wanted to access specific records. What records actually? Viru records. Now let me run the code actually. This is beautiful, sir. All Viru records actually. Sir. Can I get a response from you? Let me explain one more time. Easy, very easy actually. Please understand the topic very clearly, right? Now again I will ask a question. Yeah, this code will be done. I will explain one more time. Chudani. My requirement will be first create a data frame. Import pandas as PD. Df equals to pd.read underscore csv and sales1.csv and df dot print of df actually. Let me drink water. Good. Now I wanted to access only Viru data frame, Daniel. Total 600 rows. I wanted to know Viru how many times he done shopping. I wanted to know Lavanya madam how many times she done shopping actually. Then you have to separate from the data frame to Lavanya data frame. You need to separate. Then you can check the count actually. Am I right? Then how to separate that one? Let me focus on the Viru. First, Viru value and which column it is available? Customer name. Okay, just try to access that. And here access a single column. Okay, access a single column. The moment whenever you're accessing a single column, you will get like this actually. But I don't want this single column. I need Viru data frame. Then take that one. You can just try to come here. Double equals to symbol within the double quote. Sorry, you have to provide Viru actually. The moment when this is a condition, this is something like, hey boss, in this column, where are all Viru is matching, I need those results. There is a one habit for the relational operator. Relational operator always returns Boolean value. Always returns Boolean value. Now, whenever you are calling this one actually, children, you are getting a Boolean value. Then take advantage. What we need to do, create with this one separate variable. That variable name is a con, condition number 1 equals to okay. Then df of pass Viru condition. What condition? Viru condition. Now you will get total Viru data frame actually. Wow, seriously beautiful. Can I get a response from you? Now I have a question. I wanted to know Viru how many times he is available. How to get actually? Come again? Shape also fine, right? Am I right? Am I right or not, sir? But how many times? 29 times actually. Viru 29 times he done shopping. Don't ask why. Because he has a money. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Take this one. If you really understand my requirement very clearly, good, good. Hold on. One important question here actually. The important point will be, whenever you are accessing Viru data, the value what you are passing, Viru, the value should be matched. Imagine something goes wrong. What exactly mean? Something goes wrong. Guess output actually. Excellent, sir. Very good actually. If condition is not matching, if condition is what exactly? Not matching, you will get a empty data frame. You will get what exactly? But not error. During interview they will ask actually. Imagine you are trying to selecting a specific data. The condition is failing. If condition result is a true, you will get a result actually. If the condition is failing, first point no error, you will get a empty data frame. You will get what data frame? Empty data frame. Essentially, sir. We can do actually. If value is matching, then we'll get result. Sorry, if condition is true, if condition result is false, we'll never get error. We'll get empty data frame. Good, we are good to go. Tim, I have one small point to everyone. Let me ask. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా? Can I get a response? Did you understand this example? If you really understand my example, then I have one small question for you. చెప్తారా? Good. We are good to go. I wanted to access Lavanya data frame. How to access? Good. You can just try to come here, create a separate variable con equals to df of చెప్పండి sir, name of the column w equals to what exactly? Yeah, here what exactly? Customer name. Very good. And here what exactly? Very good. You understand very clearly. Now here what I need to pass? df of con condition. Yeah, Lavanya data frame will get actually. Very good. Like this, how many customers would you have? All customers will get actually. Can I get a response from you? Good, very good. This is, Lavanya Madam total records actually. Accessing specific. Here we are using, see, this one is relational operator. Where is relational operator? Where is pandas? Relational operator is in a Python. When I was explaining about the relational operator, you thought like you know everything actually. But you know that we are using today. Then feel like you know everything actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Every basic fundamental is important actually. Every basic fundamental is important. Good. If you really understand this one, I have one more question for you. Please get ready to answer. Yeah. Come on. Listen carefully. I wanted to access iPhone 11, total iPhone 11 records actually. Then how to access? Excellent. You guys understand. Con equals to, చెప్పండి sir, df of within double quotes, double equals to, yeah. Now first one, product. Do you think here actually? No, here. Then here it is value. I'm pretty sure you got it. Now here what exactly, sir? You have to pass. Then all iPhone 11 records you will get actually. We are good to go. All iPhone records actually. Right? Now I'm sure you understand. It is possible, sir. Then contains method you need to use. I will cover that one. Contains method. Contains. We are good to go. Based on requirement, yeah. One more small point. Here, can somebody tell me how many condition? One condition. Daniel, can I apply two conditions? Can I apply what exactly? Two condition. What do you mean by two conditions, you know? Hold on. Let me print a data frame. Listen carefully. So I need a result total 600. First condition, I need video records. I need video records. Second condition, I need video records only iPhone 11 how many times he bought actually. First one I need a video records. Second one I need video records only. But second condition will be iPhone 11 how many times he bought actually. That is called as a multiple condition. What condition? We can do that. We can do that. This is the heading will be, read the heading sir. What is the heading? Accessing. This is also called as a filtering the data. Also called as selecting the data. What exactly? Selecting the data. Let me tell you. Accessing. Still you can say filtering. Still you can say selecting. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? I mean, throughout this topic, if I use any word actually, you can just try to map with accessing, filtering, selecting. Yeah. By using Boolean condition, we can select the data from data frame. Yeah. By using Boolean condition, we can select what exactly mean? Data from data frame. Yeah. What record I'm accessing? Video record actually. Customer name. The condition variable name is a customer name. It is okay. Sorry, man. What record I'm accessing? MacBook Pro laptop. Now, beautiful. Till now, we have selected data. We have selected data without using LOC and ILOC. Without using what exactly? LOC and ILOC. I mean to say, one small example, let me tell you. Listen carefully. Think like we have created a data frame. We have created what exactly? Yeah, step number one. Point number one. Daniel, I have created a data frame actually. I have created what exactly? Data frame. Daniel, I wanted to select the data. I wanted to select what exactly? Data. What data I wanted to select, I wanted to select the top 5 rows, man. How many rows actually? Top 5 rows. You already know one approach actually. What is that one? Head method. Very good. Df dot what exactly? Head method. Very good. Team, we have another solution actually. What is another approach, By using LOC and ILOC also we can access. Please understand. We can select the data not only by using other techniques actually, by using LOC and ILOC also you can access. Daniel, it's okay. Then what is the difference? If you are using head method, think like it takes 30 seconds to get the data. How long time? 30 seconds. But if you are using LOC or either LOC or ILOC, just matter of 1 nanosecond actually. Super fast. Can I get a response from you? This is kind of some, processing, computing, very fast actually. Very fast. I need a response. Are you with me? Yeah, good. I mean, we can still select the data by using LOC and what exactly, sir? ILOC. ILOC. That is possible, man. All right. Okay. Now the topic name is a Chappan, sir. LOC and ILOC, anything you can say. ILOC and what exactly? LOC. During interview, I mean, they will use some shortcut actually. LOC and ILOC. Talk with me. LOC and ILOC. It's okay. We are good to go. Now, let me tell you. The point is, what is the point here? It is, first time, let me skip the theory. I know why I'm skipping actually. Understand the examples. If you understand the examples, you can understand the theory very clearly actually. Okay. But let me give one small ideology. Can somebody read this word actually? Indexer. Right, good. Now let me tell you. A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I hope you know. A of 0. Did you remember what is this one, sir? Accessing value by using index actually. Frankly speaking, this is also called as a indexer. Talk with me, sir. Indexer actually. Indexer. when should we use lock and ILOC actually instead of other applications? Good question, sir. In machine learning, we are using. Let me tell you, what you can use first one, head method. Next one, LOC, ILOC. Let me tell you, still I'm still using head method only. These are all possibilities. Up to you. Either you can use head method or else LOC, ILOC, or else you can use slicing also. You can use what exactly? This is up to you. Imagine from here to KBHP to Amirpet, there are 4 ways actually. Don't ask how you know. I know actually. That is up to us. I can choose first part, second part, third part. Depends upon the time actually. Depends upon the requirement. Can I get a response from you? Good. Please make a note. We can use anything. Up to us. Up to us. Okay. Yeah. I already covered previously. Here, wherever you are using kind of some A of 0 like this, that is also called as a indexer. What exactly mean? LOC and ILOC also having another name. That name is called as a indexers. What exactly? Indexers. Good. Especially for this topic. This topic I wanted to discuss with you. The first one is practical. First one is examples actually. Once you understand the example, theory you can easy to understand. Theory you can easy to understand actually. I will prove practically. If I read theory now, trust me, you can see stars in the sky actually. That too daytime. I mean, you cannot understand anything. Now let us move on with what exactly mean? Example. Get ready. Team, one small full warning. Here syntax really matter. What matter? This topic is very easy. But if you really wanted to understand this topic actually, you have to understand the syntax first. What you need to understand? Get ready. I will explain. Step by step I will explain. Okay? Yeah. Ignore theory. Ignore. First one, ILOC indexer. What is the first one, sir? ILOC. Theory, sir. Ignore. Ignore. Creating a data frame. Good. New data set actually. What is the data set name? Sales 2. You have to remind me today. I hope I need to share this data set with you actually, right? Let me load this data set. Do you think you will get output actually? Yeah. You will get a file not found error. Ensure that you should know which is scenario what error. Data analysis. Sales 2. In between dot means one column is missing. Yeah. All right, let's move on. If client have shared the data, you need to spend some time with the data actually. Good. Tim, how many name of the columns? How many rows? 900. How many columns? 5. Read the column names. Order ID, customer name, customer ID, product name, product cost. Seems to be compared to the sales 1 and sales 2, column names order ID, it is available. Customer name, it is available. But what is the new column here actually? Customer ID. And the product name, it is already available in sales 1 actually. And what is available in sales 1? Last column into sales 1 low. Very good. Quantity. What exactly? Quantity. But in sales 2, what is the name of the column? Product cost. Yeah. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. I wanted to access a top 5 rows. How to access? Head method. I wanted to access bottom 5 rows. How to access? I wanted to know data from information. Info method. What method? Info method actually. Good to go. Can I say how your face expression? Sir, don't ask certain questions actually. Please, by this time you should know the revision. You're looking at me. Good. All right. Now here is the point. Selecting single column. Selecting what exactly mean? Single column. We are good to go. We already know how to select a single column. Please listen carefully. Till now, I explained very clearly. how to access a single column, this one actually, that's what, that is a small revision. Am I right or not, sir? I wanted to know how to access this column. We already know very clearly. Am I right or not, sir? We know this one very clearly. Data frame dot name of the column. Oh, not a dot actually. What exactly? Index. Why? Because index space. You should know the reason by this time actually. We are good to go. Daniel, I don't want to access a single column like this actually. I wanted to access this record only, or else I wanted to access only this record, or else I wanted to access only this record actually. If you wanted to access only this specific record, then what is the syntax, you know, sir? This is the syntax actually. The syntax will be df1 dot I. Read that letter I. That matters actually. ILOC. ILOC. Here 0 means indirectly you are trying to accessing 0th index record. What record? It is also called as a first row actually. What exactly, sir? First row. Come and చూడండి. df1 dot ILOC of చెప్పండి sir, what I need to provide? 0. Then wow, whenever you are accessing ILOC of here single value, ILOC of what exactly? Single value. First of all, the result is a series actually. Result is what exactly, man? Series. Good. The moment whenever you are providing 0 of these are all things, see, order ID, these are all name of the column came like index actually. Ante kada sir? Index. What is the first column name? First index, order ID. What is order ID, sir? Ends with 837. Okay, cool. And the next one is a customer name. What is the customer name, sir? Pardaji. And respectively, what is the last one? Product cost. Yeah, this one is a product cost. And what is the price actually? 59,000. Wow. You got a clear picture, I guess actually. Can I get a response from you? Good. Hold on. Syntax number 1. Almost many syntaxes would you have, sir? Let me finish all the discussion. I will definitely come to your point actually. First syntax will be df of ILOC. Here you are providing a single value. What you are providing? Single value that really matter. And example also, let me tell you, df1 dot ILOC, and here you are providing 0. You are providing what exactly? 0. Good. We are good to go. I have one small question. Did you understand? Meeku ardhamayinda, sir? Good. I have a small question for you. I wanted to access this record. What I need to do? Cheppandi sir, everybody. 1 we have to provide. Very good. Yeah, winner record actually. What record? Winner record. I wanted to access last record. What is the last record? Madhurima ma'am. How to access? All right, very good. Instead of 899, there are two approaches. Instead of 899, what you can apply, you know, -1 also you can apply. Go for -1 directly. Yeah, you got it. You got it, I guess, actually. Okay. Go back to the session. Hope you understand. We can select a single, or I mean, as of now, let us focus on single or multiple rows by using ILOC indexer. If you select a single row or column, then it returns what exactly? Series only. Series. I'm going with order. Follow the order nicely actually. First syntax I explain. ILOC of 0, first example. Next one is a ILOC of 1. You already know. Guess the next example, man. ILOC of -1. ILOC of what exactly? -1. Damn sure important interview question. Important interview question will be, go back and this one is a data frame. This one is what exactly? Data frame. Now, whenever you are using ILOC syntax, here I means index, or else think like integer. What exactly? Sir, here you have to provide integer value only. It should be integer only. Otherwise, you will get an error. Otherwise, you will get what exactly? Error. Daniel, why you are stressing that actually? Let me try to access this one. No, please don't try to access. You will get an error actually. ILOC won't accept string data. Interview questions, sir. During interview, they will ask actually. By using ILOC, here we have to provide integer value only. What value? You have to provide. Even though if index is string actually, still you have to use integer only. It will support actually. Are you getting or not, man? Right, good. Now let me run this example. Now you will get an error. That error will be what error, you know, sir? The error will be type error. What error? Chudandi ikkada. Cannot index by location index with non-integer key. Please don't provide non-integer key. Please don't provide what exactly? Non-integer key. Take this one, error. We are good to go. Are you clear till now? Are you clear till now? Okay. Can I continue? Easy, right? Very easy. Let's move on. Yeah. New syntax, sir. Syntax number 2. Get ready. Syntax number 2. What syntax I'm covering, you know? Let me explain. Let me explain first point actually. Daniel, you explained very clearly. You explained what exactly? Very clearly. By using ILOC, we are able to access this record. By using ILOC, you are able to access this record. By using ILOC, I just wanted to access this column, single column I wanted to access. First of all, without ILOC, we know very well. Are you with me or not, sir? Now with ILOC, I wanted to access actually. I need a response from you. Conclusion of the story. By using ILOC, ILOC, iLocation, I wanted to access a specific column. Is it possible, sir? No limitation. Absolutely possible. Follow the syntax. Are you ready? Are you ready or not? Good. Why you guys are dull today actually? Are you fine? Holidays are over, right? Syntax number 2. Syntax 2 actually. The syntax will be df of ILOC. Here is a syntax. The syntax itself you need to spend some time actually. The syntax takes comma separator, man. What separator actually? Comma separator. For the syntax, comma separator is required actually. For this comma, LHS required. Next one is what exactly? No, RHS required. Talk with me. LHS required. One more time. LHS required. Yeah. df dot ILOC of comma. This LHS position will be rows. This RHS position will be columns. Chappan sir, what exactly? Columns actually. LHS position is what exactly? Rows. RHS position is columns. Good. Now here is the story. Example, df dot ILOC of, sir, comma came, comma separator actually. Left hand side, I am providing column symbol. What symbol? This column symbol means left hand side. Talk with me, sir, what exactly? Rows. If you are providing column symbol, first one is a starting position, next one is end position. If you are not providing starting position and ending position, it means to say that all rows. Talk with me. All rows. One more time. All rows. Good. Now here, let me specify 0. Let me specify what exactly? Single column actually. What is the first column? Did you remember me? Column gurtunda ikkada actually ga. Enti order ID. Order ID. Previously I told very clearly, right? Daniel, the syntax is not working, but I wanted to access order ID. Sir, use this syntax actually. మీకు ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా సార్? This is alternative. Can I get a response from you? Good. Syntax number 2. Syntax number 1. ILOC of, sir, can I tell one small point? First time I'm telling like this. ILOC, LOC, how to practice today itself only. If you didn't have dinner also, that is fine. One day nothing is wrong actually. Are you with me, sir? But you have to practice today only. Why? Because one of the most confusing topic actually. మీరు ఎక్కువ దీన్ని మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే గుర్తుంటుంది యాక్చువల్గా. బట్ స్టిల్ ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ ఇన్ ఏ వెరీ ఈజీ వే. దట్స్ వాట్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ యాక్చువల్. కెన్ ఐ గెట్ ఎ రెస్పాన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ? గుడ్. ఫస్ట్ సింటాక్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ సింటాక్స్? Hey, like a syntax 1 I have explained somewhere, right? Syntax number 1. ILOC of 0. If you are directly accessing like this, it will touch index man. It will try to access what exactly? Index. I hope you know index 0, 1, 2, 3 is available actually. But let me tell you, ILOC of comma separator came. Where the comma separator came, definitely left hand side required, LHS required, RHS required. LHS should be only rows position. What position? LHS should, RHS should be what exactly? Column position. In LHS side rows, if you are providing here 0 to 5, it means to say that what exactly? Top 5 rows actually. Right. 50. What exactly mean? Top 50. And here is something like a 10. 10 to 50. 50 means 49. But if you're not providing anything, it means to say that I wanted to access all rows. It's okay, cool. You wanted to access all rows, right? Right hand side columns position. If you are providing like 0, indirectly you are asking, I need a 0th column. I need what exactly? 0th column actually. 0th column. Let me tell you. I know the column name is order ID. Still backend Python will consider that is a 0th column. That is what column? I already covered previously starting the session actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా sir? If no column is not assigned, what is the name of the column? That still it can stick actually. Backend is a 0. A front end it can display order ID actually. మీకు ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా సార్? చెప్పండి సార్. గుడ్. లెట్ మీ షో యూ. Easy man. This kilometer syntax I am giving just for your better understanding actually. Rishi sir, many ways we can do. Let us go with an order actually. We'll go with an order. Okay, good. Come on, చూడండి. Yeah, very good. So previously, ILOC of order ID, we got an error. We got what exactly? Daniel, we are getting error, but I wanted to access actually. Then this is the way we can access actually. Am I right or not, sir? This is the way. We already know one point actually. What is that point? Any idea? మనకు ఒక alternative syntax ఉంది కదా, to access a single column. DF of what exactly? Like this. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Let me tell you, both are valid. Both are what exactly? Valid. Yeah. This one also you can use. This one also you can use. But what I like, like this no తెలుసా? This I like very well actually. Why? Because very simple. Am I right or not, sir? Still there is a possibility. You can go for ILOC also. You can go for what? Fast, sir. Think like you are having some crores of records actually. ILOC access in a very super fast. Like a Superman, He-Man, like that actually. Yeah, very good. Very good. Very good. See, both output you are getting something. Can I get a response from you? మీకు అర్థమైందా sir? Good. 2 syntaxes like this 4 syntaxes. మొత్తం 4 syntaxes మీకు అర్థమైతే we can close the topic. Can I ask you one more question? I wanted to access customer name. What I need to do? 1. Somebody said actually. Very good. Delete these are all. Chappan sir. Here I need to give 1. Yeah, customer name. I wanted to access last product cost. What I need to access? -1 also you can use. What you can use? -1. Good. That is a fun, good subject, sir. Yeah, good, sir. I will tell you. If you want to access two columns, new syntax. That is upcoming syntax. Fourth syntax. I will cover. Follow the order of syntax actually. Alright, Daniel, I wanted to access last column. Then what I need to provide actually? -1. We are good to go. Come on. Bus. We understand, I guess, actually. Take this one. Generally speaking, this much long syntax I am providing just for your better understanding. But what is a normal way to provide? Don't provide any space actually. మీరంత స్పేస్ మీకు అర్థం కావడానికి నేను ఇస్తాను. జనరల్గా దట్ మచ్ స్పేస్ వీ షుడ్ నాట్ ప్రొవైడ్. ఐఎమ్ సారీ, యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ టు కమ్ హియర్, అట్లీస్ట్ హియర్ స్పేస్ రియల్లీ మ్యాటర్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ. చూడండి, వీఆర్ గుడ్ టు గో. All right. Okay. Zeroth syntax we done. Sir, I have a question for you. Comma separator, left hand side, rows position, right hand side position, columns. In right hand side position, if you are specifying single number that talks about the column number, that talks about what exactly? Why? Because I, this think like I means integer. It accept only integer. Hey Daniel, by using ILOC, column name can I give? No sir, don't give actually. You will get an error. I already shown that example, right? Now move on. Yeah, children. Can somebody tell me? Yeah. Next one. Last column. Two syntaxes hidden actually. Now interesting. Till now, I explained how to access a single column data. How to access what exactly? Single column data. Now here onward, selecting multiple rows and what exactly? Most interesting topic actually. Third syntax I'm going to introduce. Let me talk with the online team. Online team, how are you, sir? Are you following everyone? Let me talk with everyone. I need a response from everybody, please. I need a response from everyone. Yes, sir. It always returns new data frame. Jyoti, Priya boss, Shafina ma'am, Kareem, Ahmad sir, Sai Kiran. Come on, respond everybody. Can we apply condition with ILOC? Good question, sir. Siddiq sir. That is upcoming topic. Mostly tomorrow I am going to cover that. Rishi sir, we can do that. Okay. Thank you everyone. Nice response. Mageswara sir, Sivakumar, Uma Devi. We are good to go. Thank you for your kind response. Let's move on. Just I'm checking. Now the topic will be selecting multiple rows and what exactly mean? Columns. Multiple rows and what exactly? Columns. Yeah, good. Now please make a note. Third syntax. Please focus on this syntax. Till now I covered two syntaxes. How many syntaxes? Two syntax. This one is a third syntax actually. Alright. If you want, I will give a small recap about what exactly syntax number 1 and syntax number 2. I hope you already know that. But let me give a small recap. Syntax number 1, df of ILOC of providing a single number, straight to the point. Syntax number 2, df dot ILOC of, I may not explain, but you should understand by default what I'm doing actually. Column symbol. Chapman sir, 0. What exactly? 0. No explanation required. Am I right? Kada? Good. Now syntax number 3. Syntax number what exactly? Syntax number 3. df dot ILOC of, and now please make a note actually. Here is the point. Daniel, column symbol. What symbol? Column symbol. And here I am providing 0 and here I am providing 5. Here I am providing 0 and here I am providing what exactly? 5 actually. Team, first of all, no comma separator. What exactly? If no comma, by default all columns. Are you getting? Let me tell you. Repeating again. If when comma will come, If you wanted to specify specific column, then comma separator will come actually. If no comma separator, Daniel, comma separator not came actually, then all columns. What exactly? All columns. Then 0 means 0th row, 5 means 5th row, 4th actually. Top 5 rows. Talk with me. Top 5 rows. Indirectly head also will do the same thing. Ante kada? Can I get a response? Can I ask a question? In syntax number 3, sir, I hope you already know n index minus 1 it will apply actually. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 index it will access actually. The basic point. Right? Let's move on. Third index will be, sir, comma separator is not there. What is not there? Comma. Then talk with me. All columns, please. That point is important. If no comma separator, all columns actually. All columns, right? Now, if you want here, if no comma separator, then all columns. Hold on. Let us just try to move on. Print of df of dot ILOC. Sir, I'm sure I will answer all of your questions actually. Please be on the line. Talk with me, sir. Yeah, exactly. What we are getting? Top 5 rows actually. Am I right or not, sir? Can please make a note? Exactly head method, what it is doing, it is also doing same thing actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. I will repeat. Boss, valid, but let me tell you, I am going according with order actually. You know what? I can explain all these things very easily, but step by step I'm walking through. Syntax number 1, syntax number 2, syntax number 3, syntax number 4. What is the syntax? Syntax number 4 actually. Are you getting or not, sir? So please make a note on this one. This is still possible actually, that I can talk later. Where are we? You can just try to come here. Daniel, I don't like ILOC actually. It is okay. Nothing is wrong in that. But I wanted to access top 5 rows actually. What is the way, sir? Chappan? Head method would you have. What method, sir? Head method. df dot head method actually. Good. We are first head method. Next one is a ILOC, right? Take this one. Sir, no comma separator. Then one more time. No comma separator. All column. Very good. But can I tell one small limitation? Head method, by default, it will fetch from 0th record. By default, it will try to access from 0th record. But the beauty with ILOC, you can specify 10 to 50. You can specify what exactly mean? 10 to 50. That is one great advantage actually. Sometimes I need in between records. I need middle records. What records, man? Yeah, you can just try to go for ILOC. Yeah, good. Slicing also we can use. Wow, see, you're trying to accessing from 10th record. What exactly mean? 50th record. I mean to say 49th record actually. Can I get a response from you? Make అర్థమైందా sir? Go back. Yeah, beautiful. Fourth syntax. This is the last syntax. I know you are thinking like, how many syntax. That's what this topic mainly focus on the syntax. If you really understand syntax actually, very easy. Trust me, very easy, man. Very, very easy actually. Okay, good. Let me give a small recap for the syntax. Now I need to cover syntax 4, but to explain about the syntax 4, I need to give a small syntax revision. First syntax. Chaptara, can somebody help me? df of ILOC of single value, the value is a 0. Enough, one example is enough. Syntax number 2. Sorry man. df dot ILOC of చెప్పండి సార్ comma separator. Here column symbol, here is single number. Sir, comma separator came, specify the columns. Specify what exactly? Especially here you are using single number means you are talking about the single column. You are talking about what exactly? Single column. Syntax number 2 and syntax number 4 having the relation. I will talk actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Right. Syntax number 3. Syntax number 3. చెప్పండి సార్ సింటాక్స్ నెంబర్ 3 అంటే యాక్చువల్గా somebody told df dot ILOC of, and here no column separator, no column actually. If no column, I'm sorry, if no comma separator, then all column. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. Syntax number 4. Yeah. Are you ready? Last two syntax. df dot, how easy it is, LOC of comma separator, column, sir. Talk with me, all rows. Here also all rows. Sir, single column. What column? All columns. If you want starting column you can specify, end column you can specify. That's it. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Who already know pandas? ఇప్పుడు వరకు మీకు ఆల్రెడీ pandas ఎవరైనా తెలిస్తే I'm sure this kind of explanation you never know actually. I can give guarantee. Why? Because syntax matter here. I done R&D on the syntax actually. This is very, very important. During interview, if anyone is asking about explain about ILOC, don't explain anything. Explain the syntaxes. That guy will understand very clearly. Take one small sample data frame, like some 4 columns and 5 rows actually. Explain first syntax, access this data, second syntax. That guy will take a snapshot actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Please make a note. Now the last syntax number 4. First point, comma separator. What exactly? Comma separator. That I will explain one more time. Now the topic will be syntax number 4. df of df dot ILOC of comma separator, column. Ayyo, first let me cover LHS and RHS. Rows, columns. df dot ILOC of all rows. అంతే కదా? ఏమరి చెప్తారా సార్ ఎవరన్నా? కెన్ ఐ గెట్ ఏ రెస్పాన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ? వెరీ గుడ్, వీఆర్ గుడ్ టు గో. I mean the syntax is valid. You are trying to printing all rows and all columns by using first syntax actually df. What is other alternative? What is other alternative? Here df of చెప్పండి సార్, comma separator. What separator? Comma separator. And here column symbol, and here what exactly? Column symbol. I missed ILOC, right? And what exactly? Dot ILOC, valid. This one and this one both are same actually. చెప్తారు సార్, any idea what is this one? All rows. What is this one? That's it. Very easy. చూడండి, first time also you got the same data frame, second time also you got the same data frame actually. అర్థమైందా సార్? Good. If you really understand this syntax, let us play with an example actually. Practice today itself. See, I have a small question. Here I am specifying 0 to 5. Talk with me. It means to say that first of all left hand side row, don't confuse. So you have to go with an order actually. Comma separator came, left hand side rows, top 5 rows, simple. This one is the left hand side. RHS side, all columns, that's it. I mean to say head method. What method, sir? Head method. We are good to go. That's it. Good to go. Are you with me or not, sir? Now you can come here. Let us provide 0. Let us provide 3. Let us provide what exactly? 3. This is simple. Top 5 rows actually, but I needed 3 columns. 0th column, first column, second column. That's it. I mean to say 0th column, first column, second column. I mean to say till here actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా sir? Previously someone asked the same question actually. Now here is the answer. I will go with order, man. Wow. Perfect. Like this is a small slice from the data frame. You know, this one is a big data frame, right? I don't want this one. I need a specific data frame. Yes, you can play actually. Like this, you can understand very easily, man, actually. Can I get a response from you? Did you understand or not, sir? Sir, one small point. Sir, sorry. I don't have you know video access actually. Videos access. Admin take care. Admin take care. But anyway, I can update with admin. Good. A revision really matter actually today topic. Oh, that's what I'm telling, sir. Anything is possible. Anything in the sense. Do you want to access this value, this value, this value, this value? Trust me, anything is possible. Anything is possible. Can I get a response from you? Good. Please understand. All right. So I hope I explained examples. I explained what exactly? Examples. What is the pending? Theory is pending. What is pending? Tomorrow I will explain one more time. Random we can access, ma'am, by using 1 minute. Sorry. Step value you can access. Step value. But let me tell you in real time, accessing the data will be done by using Boolean condition. What condition? Previously I have explained, like, you know, specific columns, right? Specific columns, right? That we are doing in a real time. These are all you have to understand. These are all syntax oriented, you have to understand. Anyway, so can you please walk through? This one is all rows and the first 2 columns actually. Chappan sir, am I right? All rows, comma separator. The next one will be all rows, and next one is a 3 columns. I will explain tomorrow one more time. Talk with me. Top 5 rows and 2 columns. That's it. You know, top 5 rows and what exactly? First 2 columns. Talk with me. Top 5 rows and 3 columns. Intentionally, I am giving more examples so that you will get a more clear picture actually. That's what you need to be understand. All right, next topic is LOC. But anyway, theory, you can remind me tomorrow. I will give tomorrow also revision one more time actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Good, fine then. We're done for today's session. Don't miss tomorrow's session, sir. Maybe data set I need to upload today, right? Having little cold, sir. Handling missing data I done. Give your mail ID, sir. Give your mail ID. Selection LOC and LOC. That's what I'm telling. The materials are well organized. If you follow the materials very carefully, first you will understand the subject. Okay. Let me upload the data set also. Data set and running notes. 2 things are pending. Yeah, we are good to go. You can just try to come here, go back and access the dataset too. What is the dataset name, sir? Sales 2. Okay. Zip file I'm giving. I trust you know how to Unzip and you can just 13, 13, 13 matching, sir. All right. Thank you. Thank you, online team and offline team. We done for today's session, man. Oh, sorry, sorry. You can please take a control. Somebody is asked to add a Google Classroom. Let me add. Okay, okay, okay. Let me just try to access this. Sir, but let me tell you, mostly they never delete. If they have deleted, there is a reason, sir. I still sense almost 1 or 4 members. Maybe admin have deleted. I'm not sure either I can add or not. It's okay, let me add. Sir, I have given an access. Kindly please make a note. All right, thank you. Cross verify, I have given an access. Okay, fine then, thank you.